Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome to Innoven Foods. Today we are bringing together two all-time favorites, pizza and sandwich, to make a delicious and cheesy chicken bread pizza sandwich. Perfect for lunch boxes, tea time, or whenever you are craving something fun and filling. First, cook the chicken filling. Heat 1 tablespoon oil in a pan. Add half cup chicken and cook for 1 minute. Use pre-cooked chicken to save time. Add half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon oregano, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon soya sauce, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon red chili sauce. Mix and cook for 3 to 5 minutes. This recipe is a cross between pizza and sandwich, so you get the best of both worlds. Now set aside. Now prepare some veggie mix. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoons shredded cabbage, 2 tablespoons chopped capsicum, some sweet corn, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons mayonnaise. You can replace mayo with Greek yogurt for a lighter version, and 2 tablespoons chopped onion. Mix everything well. Now take bread slice and spread tomato sauce. Try using whole wheat bread for a healthier option. Add the cooked chicken and mozzarella cheese. Place another slice on top. Spread the vegetable mixture. Cover with the third bread slice. Top with tomato sauce. Kids love this because it's colorful, cheesy, and full of flavor. Mozzarella cheese. Capsicum, black olives. This recipe contains protein from chicken, vitamins from veggies, and calcium from cheese. Oregano and chili flakes. Add extra topping like jalapenos, mushrooms, or paneer for a twist. Now heat 1 tablespoon butter in a pan. Always cook on low heat to melt the cheese properly without burning the bread. Place the sandwich. Cover and cook on low heat for 8 to 10 minutes until the cheese is melted and the bread turns crispy and golden. Our chicken bread pizza sandwich is ready. Crispy on the outside, cheesy and flavorful on the inside. You can also turn it into mini bites for party snacks. If you like this recipe, hit like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to Innoven Foods for more fun and creative snacks. See you next time with something new and delicious.